Today we're going to learn how to create an assessment on Crowdmark with pre-matched booklets. So the first thing we do is to create a Crowdmark booklet assessment. We select Administered, and then we select Crowdmark Booklets. And the first step is to upload a template. The nice thing about the pre-matched assessments is it allows for a lot of template flexibility. The only formatting requirements are margins for QR codes. So let's go ahead and find our template here. Once we've uploaded that, we make sure we've selected QR coded booklets. And then scrolling down to matching, we select pre-matched. And what pre-matching does is allows you to say where Crowdmark should print the student identifying information on each booklet that is generated. So you can see here we have last name, given name, first name, and student number. So we start by clicking into the box and we can drag to create a box, and then we map this individual box to each field. You can also delete here or edit. We'll delete this, we'll create one here. Student number. And these can be resized, they can be dragged around on the page, however is needed for your formatting. Now that that's ready to go, we finish up our formatting, adding potentially a bubble sheet, selecting single or double-sided, and how many extra booklets we would like. Now we generate a preview. And this will show you what the QR coded booklets look like, as an example with the student identifying information printed. So this will be a multiple choice exam. We're printing only a cover sheet and a bubble sheet. And so you'll end up with one page front and back, and each one will be pre-assigned to a student. You can edit this template as much as you need to. Once you hit generate, the template can no longer be edited. So once we generate our QR coded booklets, we'll be able to take a look and see that each booklet is pre-matched to an individual student, and each booklet also contains unique QR codes and unique identifying information for that student. And that's pre-matched booklets. If you have any questions, please feel free to shoot us an email at support@crowdmark.com.